In this video, you will find out how Uber is screwing over the drivers with upfront pricing. Now, $67, 2 trips looks good in hindsight, right? No, my friends, let's break this down for you guys. Well, we're not going to look at the week. We're looking right here. I've been active for almost 2.5 hours, online for 5 hours, correct? That means for 2.5 hours, drivers aren't paid. 2 passengers, $67 looks good, right? No, my friends, let's break it down for you guys. There's 2 passengers that I picked up. The first one was at 6:40 in the morning. The second one was at 8:40 in the morning, okay? Now look at this. First, I'll tell you how much we used to make. $43 for 43 miles. That's what we used to get paid. Uber paid us what? $31. That's a difference of $12 that drivers are losing because of upfront pricing. Number 2, hour and 20 minutes. There was an accident, there was traffic. The ride was supposed to be about an hour. It ended up being 20 minutes longer. We lost another $5 there. So this ride should have roughly been $50 back in the days. The driver got paid $31. Difference of $20. Give or take. Let's just say $15. Let's look at this one right here. 8:40 in the morning, I saw $36 and I was like, yes, score. No, my friends. Hopefully you saw over here 55 miles. 55 miles for $36. The drivers are getting screwed for another $20. Okay? $20 here, $20 here. That's $40 we got screwed. This is what I mean. When you see something like this, oh my God, you made $67? Oh my God, you made $67? No, this should have been $100 or $107. The way we used to get paid less than a year ago. Not anymore. My friends, my name is Ahmed, Mustefa Ahmed. I'm an Uber driver. And every single day I'm creating content to teach you about how we're getting screwed. This is not scripted. This is live. Time is right here. 10:02 in the morning. I've been up since 5 in the morning driving for 5 hours. I made $67. Look at the mileage that I put on my car. And this is, I know, the trolls are going to love this. Oh my God, he drove 135 miles. Shut up. I drove 135 miles to make $67. So $135 is what? $30 in gas gone. Gone. In total, what's going in an Uber driver's pocket is roughly $30 or $37 out of this $67. This is what I mean. Uber is not a job for anybody. I know a lot of you guys are asking me, well, how do we do this and how do we do that and how do we deal with the surge? My friends, Uber's done. They are making it harder and harder. It's like the leash is getting tighter and it's squeezing and it's squeezing and it's squeezing. And it's getting to a point where drivers have to basically, we have to drive almost double the time to make half the money almost, right? And it's ridiculous. Will the laws catch up? Probably not. The lobbyists are in their pocket. Will the politicians help us? Probably not. Not now. There's no way. I believe they want to replace us with robots and artificial intelligence. That's why they don't care about us. This is why, if you're in America, understand, my YouTube short's going to go up in a little bit, which is going to talk about it. It's going to be us versus the government. It's not Republicans versus Democrats. It's not Pakistani people versus Chinese. It's not Russians versus Ukraine. It's not Israel versus Palestine, my friends. It's us, normal, hardworking human beings versus the elite versus the billionaires. That's it. They are going to squeeze and squeeze and squeeze, and they're going to use technology. They're going to use algorithm to make it harder for us. Now, let me take a break because I just dropped off the passenger and I'm fired up. I'm fired up, baby. Now, this is why I drive Uber and I take passengers for $67. So I can work on my YouTube channel. So I have a plan B. I have a blog. I have a podcast. I have a YouTube channel. So there's money coming in the back end while I'll be sleeping. This is why you want to follow me. This is why you want to like this video. This is why you want to share this video. This is why you want to comment. And just don't comment. If you look over here, I have plenty of comments that are coming in, right? This is everybody that's commented on stuff that I've recently put up and I haven't gotten back to, right? Comment in a way where it helps me so I become a better driver, or I create better content that helps everybody else in our community. Or comment on other drivers, or sorry, on other comments where people are asking questions. If I don't get a chance to respond and you know how to help the community, go ahead. Respond to other drivers that are asking questions so I don't have to respond, so I can spend more time creating content that's going to help everybody in our community. If you look over here, 482 followers, subscribers. This is very good, right? I'm trying to get to 500 because the faster I can stop driving Uber, the faster I can spend more time creating content that's going to help everybody, especially Uber drivers. I've literally dedicated my life in helping and trying to help Uber drivers. Now, if you notice over here, I have all these options on, right? But I'm not going to get anything. If I turn the shittiest option on right here, it's going to give me $3, $4, $3, $4. And I'm on purpose not doing that. After every passenger, I take a break. I make a video. I upload it because that's going to help me retire tomorrow. Not this. This is going to squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. Yes, I want you guys to make more money, right? I want you to make as much money as you can as an Uber driver, as fast as you can, and cherry pick so we can all stop driving. I think there's going to be like something crazy happening very soon. If not this year, by 2025, because there's no way we can sustain this, right? And there's no way we can have another 100,000 homeless people out there, right? This is bullshit. Okay, now let me tell you what my strategy is, and then I'll end the video with something very interesting, okay? So, I am at Camp Pendleton. There is no money over here, okay? Fallbrook right now, there's no money over here, okay? This is the way home. I have one choice if I want to start going home, but I haven't made my money. My minimum is $150 for the day. So we can't really go that way unless Uber's going to give me $15, right? And I'm trying to explain to you my thought process when I drop off passengers and how I decide which way to go, how to relocate, and how to get some more money. Because I have a minimum. I want to make at least $15 in order for me to move my Pakistani butt. Oh, look at this. It's surging over there. Ain't nobody going over there, guys. I'm so sorry. And this is an Uber X ride, by the way. By the way, there's no way to get there. Uber, you stupid algorithm. There's no way to drive there. The only way you guys can drive there, guys, just so I'll let you know in case you come over here and accidentally go to Camp Pendleton, the only way to get there is this way, right? And it is far. There's no shortcut over here to get in there, right? And on top of that, they won't let you in. Sorry, I'm getting mad at the algorithm again. My bad. But look, guys, there's no way to pick up that surge. There's no way to pick up that surge, okay? It's surging because these kids, these Marines need a ride, but we can't go in there to pick them up unless you have some sort of clearance, right? If you don't have the clearance, they have to walk. If they don't walk, guess what? You have to cancel all of them. You're going to spend time going over there. But anyways, the video is not about the Marines right now. Okay, so what is my strategy? First, I'm going to look over here. And we're going to look over here and see what the lot looks like. 56 is good, okay? 56 is very good. This is very good. Look, 51 is good. 31 is good. That means there's around 82 people ahead of us. This is very good. It's low. So there's about 100 people at the airport. Now, you want to get to the airport, I believe, by 11 o'clock. Oh, I already missed it. Okay. So 9 o'clock, there was a rush. Right now, it's 10 o'clock, so it's low. I want to get here and be ready for this big rush that's coming up, right? So as long as I can get to the airport in the next few hours, I got money coming in, but I want to get paid, right? Now, how do I get paid from over here? Remember, you got to get paid if you want to get laid, right? So from over here, I have one trick, right? It always works for me. I just type it in for you. I got to type a little bit more. There you go, my friends. How far is that? There is no way for me to make money unless I go there, right? I know this. I've been here for a long time. Maybe I can get lucky over here if I sit here and wait, but then I'm going to lose the rides at the airport, right? Maybe I'll get some rides over here. I might get lucky, right? I think it's worth driving 17 miles to end up here. If you're in San Diego and you're over here and you drive this route, let me know what would you do, right? I know we're not supposed to go that way. There's no money going that way, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to end this video. I'm going to upload it. Please like, comment, subscribe, because every video I put up is about 8 to 15 minutes long. These are short, small, bite-sized podcasts so you can watch and you can learn. And today, this video started off by telling you how the drivers are getting screwed with upfront pricing. My next video might be about energy vampires, because the last 2 passengers that were in my car were draining me, and I had to open my window, I had to put music on, I had to do breath work in order to normalize myself. One was a Chinese guy and the other were 2 Persian guys. But it's not the race or the ethnicity that's the reason. It's what happens. Like, the Asian guy that was in the car was very anxious, right? His anxiety was what's draining me, right? And I'm sure it drains you guys. And the 2 Persian guys were very demanding. They were high maintenance, you know, like some women. They wanted me to go in the carpool. They wanted me to go faster. And then they were talking to each other the whole time. When 2 people are talking and there's 3 people in a car, guess what? They're draining, right? And I'll teach you tricks on how to deal with difficult passengers, especially energy vampires. Well, actually, you know what? I'll leave it for you. Leave me in the comments if you want me to make a video about energy vampires and how to deal with them in your car, and I'll make a video. Right now, I'm working on guest rides and why we should avoid them. Okay, God bless you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And not just comment. Comment on what you like. Comment on what you don't like, so I can create content that benefits you, which benefits the whole community. And there's nobody out there on YouTube that's an Uber driver that's making as many videos as me and the value that they're bringing. Yes, they're great YouTubers out there. They're great Uber drivers out there. You know what? But they make 1 video a day. Maybe they make 2 videos a day, right? But who's teaching you how to drive, and who's teaching you step by step how to make money and how to stop driving, how to have a plan B? I don't think there's any other YouTuber out there or Uber drivers that's teaching you, literally holding your hand and saying, hey, do this. Hey, you want to have a blog? Hey, you want to have a podcast? Hey, you want to have a YouTube channel? Hey, you need to be making money while you're sleeping, because I did this for 5 years and I realized, no. The billionaires and the trillionaires and the Silicon Valley idiots, they're screwing all of us. They're screwing me, which means they're screwing all the gig workers, DoorDashers, Lyft, every industry, right? But I'm hoping to help Uber drivers. God bless you. I got to upload this video and work on my next one.